Namo Buddhaya, Jai Bhim. This is Dr. M. Venkateswamy, State President of Republican Party of India, Karnataka, South India President, All India Vice President. I am also the President of Samata Sainik Dal and Chairman of the Vishwa Buddha Dhamma Sangha. Today, we are starting in Karnataka. The preparation work is going on for celebrating the 130th birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We have got Nagsena Vidyalaya. Nagsena Vidyalaya is the branch office of People's Education Society started by Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And this Nagsena school and Buddha Vihar, which is there in Bangalore city, it was a gifted land given by Maharaja of Mysore to Baba Saheb Ambedkar way back in 1954. There we have got Nagsena school, we have got Nagsena Buddha Vihar, and we are going to start a Sambuddha hostel there and Prabuddha library and IAS coaching center. This 130th Baba Saheb Ambedkar's birth anniversary we are celebrating in Karnataka in a very befitting manner. On that particular day, we are organizing 130 chariots of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, carrying the chariot, 130 chariots carrying portrait. These 130 portraits will start from the town hall of Bangalore city. It will go through Mysore Bank and then reaching Vidhan Saudha, where the government of Karnataka, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, garlanding Baba Saheb Ambedkar's statue in front of Vidhan Saudha. There we also participating garlanding Baba Saheb Ambedkar's statue. From there, our rally of 130 chariots will join Nagsena Vidyalaya, which is there in Sadashivnagar, which is part of Palace Grounds. On that particular day, Republican Party of India, Samata Sainik Dal, Vishwa Buddha Dhamma Sangha and all Ambedkarite organization will join this rally, and we are conducting a program called Dhamma Diksha Karyakram. Dhamma Chakra Pravartan ka बारे में this program is going to be conducted. More than 1,000 officers, employees, ladies, students, all put together. They will have Diksha Karyakram first in the Nagsena Buddha Vihar. Then we will be felicitating all the leaders who have been fighting for the cause of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We are inviting Bangalore City Corporation Administrator. We are inviting Police Commissioner. We are inviting Chief Minister of Karnataka. We are inviting the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. We are inviting Social Welfare Minister and all other dignitaries to participate in this 130 birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We call it as Ambedkar Habba. Ambedkar Habba means it is Ambedkar festival. So we will be celebrating this event, this birth anniversary, with a grand function in the Nagasena ground, where more than 5,000 people will be assembling. This particular event, it is being celebrated by Nagasena Local Management Committee, supported by Republican Party of India, Samata Sainik Dal and Vishwa Buddha Dhamma Sangha and other all Ambedkarite organizations. We conduct some events also, very important cultural events. One Parivartana team is going to have a big cultural program of singing on Baba Sahib Ambedkar and Bhagwan Buddha about the social transformation. They will have good events, and we will be inaugurating a hostel called Sambuddha Hostel. We are going to inaugurate a special program in the name of Prabuddha Library and Prabuddha IAS Coaching Center. This is the land. Nagasena Vidyalaya has got 5 acres of land gifted by Maharaja of Mysore and to Baba Sahib Ambedkar. This land is very precious. This is the Dhamma Bhumi and Dhamma Chakra Pravartan land, and this land is very pious to not only the Karnataka people, very pious to the entire Ambedkarites of the nation and the world. So this land, this Nagasena Vidyalaya land is converted into, now it is called as Dhamma Bhumi. So in this Dhamma Bhumi, we are launching a campaign. The Republicans are launching a campaign that in the 2021 year, we will be having a big event, a mega event of 10 lakh people embracing Buddhism. This will happen in the month of November 26th. That day is called as Constitution Day. On that particular Constitution Day, we will be organizing a mega event, a world level mega event, and this is called the mega event of embracing Buddhism by 10 lakh people. That is how we are planning. This campaign will be also inaugurated on that April 14th of this 2021, and the Republicans, We the Republicans campaign, now it is being converted into We the Republicans conducting the Baba Sahib Ambedkar 130th birthday in a grand way, in a meaningful way, and this will be an event. This will be an event in Bangalore city, which is going to have colorful birth anniversary, and also many VIPs are witnessing program, and so many IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS officers are going to take part in this program. It should be an historical event. We the Republicans of Karnataka joining hands with we the Republicans of India, we the Republicans of the world, that we all celebrate the 130th birth anniversary of Baba Sahib Ambedkar in a meaningful way. This is how Republicans of Karnataka, the Republicans of Karnataka is well preparing for the grand success of this 130th birth anniversary of Baba Sahib Ambedkar.